In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new working Monopoly Go hack that's going to get you unlimited free dice in Monopoly Go. And it is super simple, guys. This is going to save you a bunch of money, and you can get free coins, free money and free dice as well. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You need to, of course, use your mobile phone and, of course, have Monopoly Go installed on your phone. And this is working on iOS and Android. Just open up the internet and head on over to this website, www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys, are very important. You type it correctly, just like this, to go to robot coupons. Now, when you get to this page, you need to find the Monopoly Go page. You can scroll down, or you can just go to the search bar and type in Monopoly Go. You're looking for the Monopoly Go free dice. Click on this, guys, and you can get free dice and free cash, guys. This is going to give you 1 million free dice rolls. So click Get Dice, and then you're going to see this Monopoly Go hacker page. Press Start. And it's going to basically search for Monopoly Go on your phone. That's why it's very important to do it on your mobile phone that you actually play Monopoly Go on. So I'm using my iPhone here. You can see it's detected the game on my phone. Select what resources you want and click Continue. So you can get cash or dice or both. So I'm going to click on both. And you can get 3,200 free dice, and you can get 10.8 million free cash. So I'm going to choose both of those. I'm going to get the maximum amount here, guys. This takes a while to load up. Foreign alloy is in the process. Okay, so sometimes this happens, guys. It says the automatic verification failed. So basically, guys, all you're going to have to do is click on the button below. So you click on basically verify. I can't be bothered to do it. I want this video to be pretty quick. So you got to click on verify and then complete a couple of tasks to basically verify you're a real person. And once you've done that, guys, it's going to deliver your cash and dice in Monopoly Go. So that is it, guys. Super simple. You just got to head on over to Robot Coupons, guys, and search for Monopoly Go page, and then go ahead and get your free dice. So I hope you found the video useful. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time.